Hey guys, Josh here with 6-Day Cash Buyers. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about one of the easiest ways that you can increase the value of your house when you want to sell it. A lot of times, you might be sitting on square footage that you just haven't used yet. And a lot of times, if you can convert that space to a bathroom or an extra bedroom, you're gonna be able to take the value of your house and increase it by a lot. So the best way to find out exactly how much value you could get for your home if you add a bathroom or if you add an extra bedroom is if you look at property that's selling in the area around you. And you can easily do that on Zillow. You can go to Zillow.com and look at property that's selling around you. Property that's selling is going to show up as a yellow dot, and you can look at recently sold. Best is to do 3 months, no more than 3 months, unless there's nothing for sale that's recently sold. Then maybe go up to 6 months. But if you want to look at property that's sold in the last 3 months and look at those comps, or look at stuff that's currently on the market, and see how much property sells for that's similar to yours with an extra bedroom or an extra bathroom. And we constantly are buying, selling, flipping, fixing properties, and that's easily one of the best ways to get the most money for your house. A lot of times though, when you start shopping around for prices and people that can do that work for you, you might get a whole vast, wide range of prices of how much it's going to be to fix that. So one of the best things you can do is get at least 3 different quotes. Maybe get one from a big company, maybe one from a contractor or a handyman or a smaller company, so you can get a wide variety of prices. But you want to use someone that's reputable and can be trusted. One of the worst things you can do is start a project with someone, and the next thing you know, you don't have any clear guidelines or boundaries at the beginning, and there's next thing that comes in that costs more money, next thing. Maybe you started with this kind of budget and this kind of timeline, and then it expands, and there's so many things that can go wrong. So it's really important to have clarity on the front end, but that's a separate video. So you want to get different ones, and Home Advisor is a great place to find someone who's got reviews. Angie's List as well, so you can see what the feedback is that people give towards the contractor, rehabber, handyman, etc. So there was a lot of situations where we had a house that maybe was worth $120, but if we finished the basement, we got all that extra square footage, and then the house went from $120 all the way up to $140, and it might have only been $5,000 to finish the basement. So that's something that not everybody thinks about. And so it's a great way to make the most bang for your buck and get the most out of your house when you want to sell it. So increasing the square footage by finishing that basement, adding a bathroom or a bedroom. That's going to be one of the best ways to take your house and increase the ARV. So if you want more tips like that, subscribe to 6-Day Cash Buyers. And also, if you do want to sell your house and don't want to go through all that hassle of fixing, flipping, finding a realtor, etc., give us a call. We'll buy your house in 6 days or less. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon. Bye.